Okay, let's jump into forms and let's make checks and radios. Okay, so I already took a copy. This is kind of what I want to make. So let's start with checks. I'm gonna start with the text. I'm gonna say text here. Use body default. I can change it later if I wanted to, but I'm gonna keep the body. Now I need a rectangle. Select, drag. Now, if you wanted to, be same height and width, you can hold Shift. As you can see, while I'm holding Shift and dragging, it's gonna keep the same size for height and width. So it's 19 by 19, maybe 14 by 14. 14 should be fine. Okay. Give it a background or fill with white, and give it a stroke primary. One. Okay, so this is my check. Now that I have these two, I'm going to select both of them. Shift A to auto layout them. From the setting, I want it to be in the center left and maybe a space or margin between them 4. Okay, I'm happy with what I have. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Now let's go ahead and make this a component by selecting the component or 4 diamonds. Change the name to check. Okay. All right, so this is my default. Now, when you select it, I want it to be, filled with blue. Now let's add variant, and this one going to be selected. Now, all I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the rectangle and maybe just add more to the, make a larger border or stroke, and that's it. So this is my check. Same way, I can make a radio. I'm gonna make a copy from this. I can make it from scratch, but I'm gonna make a copy and just change the name to radio. And all I gotta do, I'm gonna give it the curveness from 0. Yes, okay, here we go. 10. And here we have it. So I have check and radio. Later, you can even add icons or add some animations, but for this purpose right now, all I need to just make them. Now that I have this check and radio, if I go to asset, I can see under forms, I have these two. That was it for check and radio.